What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unpacking a legal update that has once again placed black coffee and Enhle Mbali at the center of public discussion. While many people thought their divorce chapter was completely closed, a recent court ruling has reopened conversations around their case, not because of new drama, but because of what the ruling means for customary marriages and antenuptial contracts in South Africa. Let's break it down in a clear and simple way. The recent ruling came from the Constitutional Court and it focuses on one key issue: when and how antenuptial contracts apply to customary marriages. The court made it clear that if a couple enters a customary marriage first, that marriage already carries full legal force. This means that signing a prenup after the customary marriage has taken place does not automatically change the marital property system unless a court formally approves it. In other words, timing matters, and you can't simply rewrite the rules after the fact. This ruling is especially relevant to Black Coffee and Enhle Mbali's divorce because their union involved both customary marriage practices and later legal agreements. In earlier court proceedings, it was found that their customary marriage was valid and legally binding. As a result, the antenuptial contract that was introduced later did not override the original marital framework. That decision meant the marriage was treated as in community of property, which had major implications of assets division, spousal maintenance, and financial responsibilities following the divorce. As part of the divorce outcome, the court ruled on matters including spousal maintenance, financial support linked to the marriage, maintenance and care arrangements for their children. This confirmed that customary marriage are not informal or secondary. They are fully recognized and protected under South African law. Even though the divorce itself was finalized, the legal principles behind the case are still shaping future rulings. The Constitutional Court's recent clarification has brought renewed attention to the case because it set a precedent that affects couples who combine customary and civil marriages, people who sign prenups without understanding legal timing, families navigating divorce under customary law. Many legal experts say this ruling could prevent future disputes by forcing couples to be more informed before entering marriage. Online reactions have been mixed. Some people feel the ruling strengthens protection for spouses, especially women, who may otherwise be disadvantaged. Others argue it highlights how little awareness there is around marriage laws and financial planning. What's clear is that this case has sparked deeper conversations about equality in marriage, cultural traditions versus legal systems, and financial security after divorce. And for many South Africans, it's become a powerful lesson in why legal advice before marriage is crucial. Throughout the entire process, both Black Coffee and Enhle Mbali have consistently asked for privacy, particularly where their children are concerned. Despite the lengthy legal battle, the focus has remained on co-parenting and moving forward rather than continuing public conflict. So while this story involves two high-profile names, its impact goes far beyond celebrity headlines. The recent court ruling reinforces one key message: customary marriages are real marriages with real legal consequences. Whether you're married, engaged, or just watching from the sidelines, this case serves a reminder that understanding the law can make all the difference. What are your thoughts on this ruling? Does it bring clarity or does it raise more questions? Drop your opinions in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.